To everyone. Chair, when we are looking at the new breaking research, I want to contextualize it first so that everyone can know the difference between ABT and IBT. Many people are going through what is IBT, what has been ABT for many years, ABT being your alternative building technologies. And when we are talking of alternative building technologies, we are talking about non-traditional materials that replaces your ordinary brick and mortar. So these are materials or technologies that is like business as usual, it's a substitute of your brick and mortar, meaning then that your usual standards, your usual codes of practice are applicable to the alternative building materials and technologies. Right? On the other hand, when we are talking about innovative building technologies, we are now moving a step further. We are now talking about new materials, new sciences, new processes that would enhance the performance of a building. So when you're talking about enhancement of a performance of a building, you are now talking about what the previous speaker has spoken about, speed, you are talking about efficiencies, you are talking about general performance improvements on the building itself.